The first tab in the Employee Master is called the Employee Master tab. This tab contains the employee's basic information, like their name, social security number, address, and contact info. The button here called the ESS Pin is important. Clicking on it displays the Employee Self-Service Pin Detail. Starting from the top, you will see some familiar icons, and below is where you can verify the employee's name and employee number. Below that is the Group drop-down selection list. Group is where you give security access to employees, which in other terms grants access to certain screens containing sensitive information. Your implementation specialist or account manager should help you with the scope of access for these groups. Below groups is the security level, which pertains to reports mostly and is associated with the group you selected above. So you could have an admin with a security level of 99. This conceptually would have access to everyone's complete information and all screens in the system, as well as all reports. Here, you can optionally enter the employee's secret word. The secret keyword can be referenced when talking to an employee who is requesting that his or her password be reset, but the secret keyword is otherwise unused in the system. This email address can be entered instead of the employee number on the login page. When the email option is selected for a system notification, the system sends notifications to the email address on the Employee ESS Pin Detail defined for the employee or supervisor. The email address entered in this section doesn't display in the employee's self-service phone book. To change or create an employee's password, click on the Set Password button. Type the new password. Passwords are case sensitive and can be up to 10 characters in length. Retype the new password and then click Set Password. This permits the selected employee to process payroll to the gross to net stage. This permits the selected employee to finalize and post a payroll, and a Restore Payroll indicator on the ESS Pin Detail controls restore permission for the online pay run task manager. This is where you will assign roles to the selected employee by clicking on the corresponding checkbox and clicking Save. The Assign Work Group button assigns an employee to a work group. The definition of work groups can vary depending on your system setup, but a loose definition is a group of similar people. In some instances, this will translate to the group getting a specific system notification. Select the Must Change checkbox to require the employee to change his or her password at first login. To enable upload delete permission for the company document screen, select this document management checkbox. To restrict an employee from being able to add, edit, or delete records on standard screens that have toolbar icons, select the read-only checkbox. This checkbox doesn't apply to the Employee ESS Date Notification Detail or the Employee Out-of-Office Detail. Selecting the Mangrove Analytics checkbox gives analytics access. The number of possible users is defined per organization. Select the Bank Account Auditor box if you want to enable this person to receive and approve transaction details regarding changes in employee banking information.